Nowadays, schools and mostly colleges are becoming redundant. That means the education they are providing is not that too valuable in your life. There is a literacy inflation. Like if we see in China, they got one of the best education systems in the world, but because of the economy in China right now, there is around 20% unemployment. So the young people with education with degrees are not able to find job in the market. So the thing is that you don't have to rely on education system, the college or the government to be successful in life. You have to rely on yourself. Nowadays there are ton of resources available online that you can use to upskill yourself and find what is best for you. The other thing is that the schools and the colleges are not providing you with valuable skills that will make your life better. So you have to learn these skills by yourself, whether it is communication, negotiation, and networking. There are a ton of life skills that you have to learn by yourself to be a good person, to live a better and fulfilled life, or rather than relying on the government or the education system to teach you anything. They are not going to. You have to do it yourself.